Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. From today, we are going to start a new series, Startup Guide. From this series, we are going to learn about the steps that we need to follow while executing the idea. From this series, you will learn very interesting concepts. So if you like the content, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. So without delay, let's get into the today's topic. Do you have any business idea? Many of us always get so many ideas. There are lakhs of opportunities available in the market, but how many ideas will get succeeded? Only a few, right? Why the remaining ideas are failing? Can you mention any reasons in the comment section? So, without complicating the topic, let's make it as simple as possible. We generally get a lot of business ideas in our mind, but many of us are not sure about how to proceed with the idea. This is where so many startups are failing at the first step. Today, we will discuss about a simple framework which can apply to our idea to assess the chances of the idea to become a successful business. Although this framework does not guarantee the success of business, it helps to eliminate the ideas which does not fit our business. Here, I will explain a four-step simple framework which will define strength in our business. We are learning this framework with a real-time example. So first let's see what is the framework we are discussing and then we can compare it with real-time example for easy understanding. The framework which we are going to discuss is VRIO. In this, first comes valuable. Value defines, is your idea really creating value to the customer? If it does not create any value to the customer, there is no point in starting the business. Next comes rare. Rarity means it defines how unique your business is. If there are more number of competitors with the same business, then you are in a competitive zone. Next comes immutable. If it is rare, you have to look whether it is immutable or not. It means any other person or organization can easily copy paste your idea or not. If yes, then you will have a competition in long run. Next comes organized. In this, we have to analyze whether do we have resources and capabilities to convert the idea or small scale operation into large scale business unit by maintaining the same quality. So let's discuss with a real time example so we can get a better understanding how VRIO model works. So in this video, we will analyze our VRIO framework with a restaurant example. So let's get started with an example. Our first parameter is value. We have to look whether is it creating a value to a customer or not. It depends upon the locality you start the business. If people are not interested in restaurants, then it does not add any value to your business or to the customers. Then you have a competitive disadvantage. We have to start business where people are willing to buy or eat restaurant food. Then it will create a value to customers. Then rarity comes into the picture. What is rare? The product or service you are providing has any rare quality like different menu or superior quality or very low cost and compared to existing business in the area. If yes, then you definitely have a competitive advantage. But if no, then you have to redesign your product or service to add the rare quality. In this case, if it is not rare, you have to face competitive parity. It means you have to maintain a strong brand to sustain your business in long run, or else you will get out of the business very soon. So now we have to see the next step, whether it is easy to imitate or not. So now we have to see. Is it possible that any other business unit replicate your rare quality or not? If yes, then you have only temporary advantage. It will affect your business in long run. To escape from the tight competition, you should be capable of adding new rare qualities continuously. Otherwise, maintaining competition advantage for a long time is difficult. And the last one is organization. Organization is the most important step when compared to the remaining qualities. Without proper organization, company may not get succeeded. If we didn't have proper organization, it will create unexploited competitive advantage. It means even though you have an idea which has potential to grow, but due to lack of organization skills, you are not able to convert that idea into business. So let's see what is organization. Cooking yummy biryani to a family of 4 members is different from cooking the same biryani on large scale. So before starting, we have to analyze yourself. Can we or any other chef whom we are appointing for cooking can make it delicious or not? We need to check whether we have capabilities and resources to maintain the quality of service or product at large scale continuously. And organization is very important to have sustainable competitive advantage. If all these steps will satisfy your business idea, then you have a sustained competitive advantage. So these are the steps involved in making our product till it reaches to customers. This is all about VRIO. It is a simple framework to analyze our business idea. Thank you. If you like the content, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Next week, I will come up with another interesting video.